We are fishing in Stamford Shipping Beach. It's a fantastic area, beautiful scenario all over around here, and a lot of good people. They come for fishing, so we're really enjoying. So I bring my wife with me.
That's good.
And she's my helper. Actually, she helped nothing. By the way, I catch 4 fish, but all is sea robin, so it's small. That's why we don't take it. I got it. I got another
I
one.
think so. Same fish. I know.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
All right, so I got another
Same.
one. This is the fish, sea robin.
Yes.
It's very fun to catch fish. The gloves there.
It helps good.
All right.
Huh?
Second one's his brother.
All right,
So very fun to catching fish. I have some new friend here today from South America. I think he's a new fisherman. I using shrimp. You got it.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Bye, guys.